everyone, myself B. Harshtragni, currently pursuing BTech third year in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Today, I'm going to tell you about my project AI Chatbot. In this project, the code is divided into front end and back end. First, let us look at the backend folder. The backend handles all the server-side operations like processing users' requests, communicating with AI model, and storing data. First, data stores project related data, chart history. And next, node modules contains all install node.js libraries used by the backend. And next, .env contains secret information such as API keys and configuration values. Next, .env.example, a sample environment file that shows which variables are required. Next, package.json contains project information and all required dependencies. Next, AI the file connects the application to the AI service and generates chatbot responses. Next, storage.js, this manages storing and retrieving the data. Next, package log.json logs the exact versions installed packages. Next, AI provider test.js used for testing the AI provider functionalities. Now let's move on to the front end folder. The front end is the user interface that users interact with index.html, style.css, app.js. First, index.html create the structure of chatbot web page. Style.css adding styling such as colors, font, spacing, and layout. App.js contains the JavaScript logic. It sends user messages to the backend and receives response and updates the chart interface. Other files like readme.md, license, git ignore. Readme.md contains project documentation and instruction to run the application. License specifies the project license. Git ignore prevents unnecessary files like node modules and .env from being uploaded to Git. Now this is the output of the whole program. Now let us ask a question. What is AML? Name some AML algorithms. And we can ask another next question also. So the front end is the responsible for displaying chatbot interface to the user, while the backend processes requests, communicate with the AI, and send responses back to the front end together. They make the chatbot application work efficiently. Here we can delete the all conversations. Here this is. Thank you.